This is like, I think, the third warm-up now of the winter. I'm about to turn on the beast in a minute. Turned on the 300. Kawa 300. Right there. Sounds all quiet and stuff. Warm it up for like 15 minutes. Now I gotta turn on this beast. But I'm gonna need to pause the video because I need both hands, people. I need both hands. So gotta pause it. There you go. Sounds like a beast. Sounds like a beast, man, this motorcycle right here. 97 Triumph Daytona. T595, people. We've been everywhere on this sucker right here. Connecticut, Harper. We went riding with the Negro Hayabusa Club in Lawrence, Mass. You see the smoke? That's all right. That's just seafoam. I put seafoam into the tank. Just so the gas won't get messed up throughout the winter. Third time I've warmed it up this winter. This one too, I added some seafoam. Everything good. Warm it up for a little while. 2015. 2015 Kawasaki 300. 97 Triumph Daytona, made out to look like a speed triple, but it's a Triumph Daytona, people. 955cc. Has a small leak on the radiator because I banked this right here, if you could notice. I banked that right there somehow, and it has a small leak, see? It's coming from in here. I wish I could have showed it, but it's up here. Most likely that could be soldered or something. But it's definitely not this one. Definitely. Oh no, wait. It is the top. No, esto es de la pertenencia a los apartamentos. Got the LEDs right here. Conversion. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. So apparently one died out. One died out. This one's fine. So one of the bulbs died out, the light, but the lights are working fine. One of them burned out in the front right here. The bulb died out. So, all right. But everything good. 11,237 original miles. There you got it. Baby's a beast.